Hey, imagine walking into your living room, hitting play, and for the first time the picture and sound just feel right. No compromises, no flat tones, no washed-out visuals. The Hisense 85-inch E6 Cinema Series is for the person who knows deep down when a screen is holding them back and refuses to settle for good enough. Before you do anything else, go check the current price and stock, because TVs this size and capability don't stay at steady availability for long. You've probably sat through scenes that should feel cinematic only to end up with dull color, muddy contrast, or audio that doesn't pull you into the moment. That frustration you shrug off? It disappears the second you power this TV up. It's not just bigger, it's smarter. With Dolby Vision and Dolby Atmos working together, colors feel richer, highlights pop without glare, and sound carries with presence instead of just noise. You don't just watch anymore, you experience. Picture yourself on a weekend night, the room dims, the opening scene starts, and suddenly you're not watching a show, you're in it. Motion stays smooth even on fast action, thanks to advanced processing and motion handling that actually feels natural. Little details you forgot where they suddenly stand out. You realize you weren't seeing the whole picture before, and now everything feels bigger, sharper, realer. Once you've felt this level of immersion, anything weaker feels like an old habit you've outgrown. Every time you consider another TV, your mind keeps circling back here because you've already felt what premium performance actually feels like. Don't let hesitation about price swings or stock dips be the thing you look back on with regret. This is the kind of upgrade that changes how every movie night, game day, or show binge feels. And if you're wondering whether a big screen really matters, here's what surprises most people: it's not just size. It's clarity under light, depth of color, and sound that keeps you engaged instead of distracting you. With an AI light sensor, every scene adjusts to your environment so brightness feels natural, not harsh. With voice control via Alexa, you don't interrupt the moment just to find something good to watch. It feels effortless, like the TV finally works with you, not against you. Visual scale that pulls you into every scene, contrast and color that feel true, and vibrant audio depth that wraps your space. Smart features that make daily use intuitive, confidence that your viewing matches how you want to watch. It's a premium choice with a larger footprint, not the most compact option available. At some point, you stop comparing specs and just choose the screen you already keep imagining in your space, because nothing else keeps pulling you back the same way. Check the current price and availability now and make the upgrade your future self will be glad you didn't put off.